What's happening to my book? Whoa!
She'll take you from A to Z and all the letters in between. You'll get a word of a day that you'll learn while you play. You'll have so much fun, just let me tell ya, when you're hanging out with Spellerella.
Oh, hi, Super Spellers.
Shh!
Sorry. It's your girl Spellerella, and I am here in a library, and I'm reading a book. Do you like reading books too? Or having books read to you? Yeah, I love books because they're filled with my favorite thing. Letters, yes! And I love how you can have adventures when you read books, right? You just never know what's gonna happen. You can be transported to all these different magical lands. This book that I'm reading is about a castle and knights and even a dragon. It's a really good book. I love this one. What's happening to my book? Whoa! Whoa! What's going on? Where am I? A castle? Oh my goodness. I think I'm inside my book. I've always wanted to go inside a story that I was reading. This is gonna be an awesome adventure. Oh, there's some water around the castle. I think it's a moat. How am I gonna cross it? Maybe I need to think of a rhyme to get me something that I could use. What rhymes with moat that would help me get across? I got it! To cross this moat, I'll need a boat! It worked! A boat appeared! Okay, let's try it. This is kind of relaxing. I'm so glad that spell worked. Super Spellers, do you hear that music? I know that when I hear that music, something scary is about to happen. Oh my gosh! It's a crocodile! I better paddle faster. He's opening his mouth! Whew, I made it. Let's go check it out. Uh-oh, there's a knight guarding the entrance. How am I gonna get inside? Maybe I need something to distract him. What rhymes with night that might work? What about something to make him scared? To distract this knight, he'll need a fright! It worked! Okay, let's go in. Phew! I finally made it inside! Okay, let's take a look around. Wow! This room is beautiful! Oh, this must be where they have fancy dances in the castle. Maybe I could join in a dance. super spellers, I found a room filled with treasure. Ooh, how exciting. Maybe I'll try some on for fun. Wow, look at this beautiful necklace. It says there's real rubies on here. Ooh, this is so fancy. And a pearl bracelet. Oh, wow, I love these jewels. That doesn't sound good, super spellers. Maybe I wasn't supposed to put these jewels on. I better take them off. Oh no! Ah! Oh no! Not again, super spellers! Whoa! Oh my goodness! Where am I? This looks like a dungeon with dragon bones. At least there's no living dragons here, right? Whew, that would be terrifying. What was that? It was coming from over here. Let's follow this tunnel and see where it leads. I think we're getting closer. A dragon? I'm out of here. He's chasing me. Okay, we need to think of a run fast. To calm this beast, we need a feast. Let's go. What's at the end of this corridor? Maybe it's a way out. It's an outdoor room of books. It's like an outdoor library. Wait a minute. Maybe I can find a book here about me that will take me back to the library I started at. And I can get back to my own world. Let's look for a book that might help me. Look at this one, super spellers. It's black with pink letters on it. Black and pink? My two favorite colors? Maybe this is the book for me. And the letters spell something. Spellerella. That's me. Okay, let's open it up and see if this is the book that will bring me back. I hope so. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Spellerella. Okay. She longed to be back in the peaceful library after an adventure in a castle. She found the magic book, opened it up, and started reading. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Shh! Sorry. I did it again, super spellers. I forgot I have to be quiet in the library. Thank you so much for joining me on that adventure. I'm so happy we made it back to our own world. You keep on spelling, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Hey parents, thanks for checking out my video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram at Spellerella Official. And you can contact me at info@spellerella.com.